I feel like drinking. Let's make a cocktail, guys.
Pick your hibiscus, I say so. Then you peel the petals off and you save them. You rinse them in some water. After you rinse them, you add them to 2 or 3 cups of water, depending on how much syrup you want to make and how strong you want it to be. Strain the petals out. Then add 2 cups of sugar and let that boil till it reduces and then let it cool. After that, take your hibiscus syrup, throw it inside the shaker, add your pomegranate syrup and some 1 drop Harbor Island hibiscus gin. Put your ice inside your shaker, bring out your chilled glass, put some ice in the chilled glass. Then I want you to pour a little bit of elderflower liqueur, top it with some of your pomegranate hibiscus thing, and then some tonic water, and bam, this your cocktail.